laws guaranteeing the right to a speedy trial have now created a bit of a backlog in Erie County Court. Because of that buildup, 145 misdemeanor cases have just been thrown out, and felony cases could be next on the docket. Tonight, 7 Eyewitness News reporter Olivia Proya sorts through all the information we have on the story.
Erie County District Attorney John Flynn says year to year, about 25% of all misdemeanor cases in Buffalo City Court are dismissed. But in 2020, that number changed dramatically.
Of those 6,000 cases, though, we had last year in 2020, only 351 were dismissed. That's 0.06%.
Flynn says thousands of cases are backing up because courts were closed due to COVID. And under a new law enacted in 2019, he says his office has become overwhelmed.
I have to give the defense attorney every single sheet of paper, every body cam video, every test result, like everything within 90 days. Or the speedy trial clock runs out.
When that law was enacted, Flynn says he asked the Erie County Legislature for more manpower. He got 18 bodies, but in 2020, the county faced budget cuts.
I lost 13 of those jobs.
When courts reopened in October, Flynn says it wasn't physically possible for his office to meet the 90-day deadline.
The deadline came and went, okay, because I just physically can't do it.
So 145 misdemeanors, low-level, non-violent cases in which no victim was involved were dismissed. And there's likely more to come.
I personally selected them. Oh yeah. I personally selected them.
So District Attorney Flynn says he's bringing in a fresh set of eyes to help deal with the backlog in Buffalo City Court.
I made like 14 personnel changes. The 2 in City Court, the Bureau Chief and the Assistant Bureau Chief, were part of the 14. Is there a way that we can manage better, assuming I don't get my new bodies back?
Even with that change, Flynn says there's only 2 ways this problem will be completely resolved.
They got to undo discovery being tied to speedy trial clock for misdemeanors, all right? That's what they need to do. If they're not willing to do that, okay, then I need more bodies.
Flynn says he hopes money will be added to the federal stimulus bill for local governments. So if that money comes to fruition, he can possibly get his 13 bodies back. In Buffalo, Olivia Proya, 7 Eyewitness News.